Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I am going to a dairy farmhouse and I want to buy some pure milk. Later on you will see the clips from the same farm. So stay in touch. This place is the northern side of the G13 and G14 road. Now this is the starting point or the main entrance of this farm. We have arrived here and now we are going for the collection of milk in a short while. This is the drawing room of this farmhouse where guests usually come and rest, and meanwhile we are getting the benefit. The fodder cutter area, and there are few hens, but these are fancy hens, not the domesticated conventional hens. There are parrots. I'm zooming in. Here is the Asil Murg with chicks. Those tiny chicks are well visible, and these are again, there's a peacock. Through these plants you can see there is a peacock, and these are the other hens or roosters. This one is very beautiful. This is a fighter. Chicha Watni breed of this rooster, the fighting rooster, Asil rooster. In Pakistan we call it Asil. This is the fodder store where from the nutrition of these animals is managed. The grains, these are the breads, the old breads or the rotten breads or the dry breads which are processed, and there are other things for the nutrition of these animals, for eating of these animals. It's a beautiful arrangement of this farm, keeping the animals with security. This is the ox. Beautiful ox. This is the other part of this farm where few animals are standing, and this is their area and no-go zone for the others. This is the area where the sunlight is given to these animals and they enjoy here. They sit here for hours and absorb the sunlight and gain vitamins. Here is a dog, Belgian Shepherd, but it's very little at this time. It's a puppy. To dump the dung of these animals, this is the location on the rear side of the farm. Here you can see some marshy land, and this is well appropriate to collect all the dung and store here. You pile up here.
मैंने इनको आजाद रखना है, बहुत छोटे छोटे पिंजरे मैंने खुद बनाने बड़े बनाने वो काम है.
Well, now we are leaving back, and on the rear side of me is the farmhouse. Share, like and subscribe. Thank you very much.